Hi guys, in this video we will see 6 essential Zoom tips to make your virtual meetings better. You can easily replace or change your background, or you can easily blur your photo in Zoom meeting app. Here are the process. Launch Zoom meeting, start a Zoom meeting and click on a small arrow against video, and you can directly choose blur my background from here. The another way to replace your background or choose video settings, and here you can see, go to camera, virtual background, and a lot of virtual backgrounds available. Choose blur or none, and some other pictures also available. You can easily change your virtual background here. Directly choose blur or some other features also available here under virtual background. Otherwise directly choose blur my background from the video icon. If you want to change your video quality to SD mode in your Zoom meeting, go to your Zoom meeting, and in between your Zoom meeting you will find video icon. Click on a small arrow just beside it, and here click on video settings. Here go to camera from the top menu bar, and here turn the toggle button on against option HD video. Some other features also available. Maintain original ratio. If you want to turn on, then turn the toggle button on to maintain original ratio, and some other features also available here. So you can easily convert your video to HD mode. In between your Zoom meeting app, you can easily enable or disable waiting room feature. To do so, click on host tools from the menu bar, and here you will find the option enable waiting room. Click on it, and you can see you have enabled the waiting room message will appear here. If you want to disable it, simply go to the same location, click on it, and uncheck the feature enable waiting room feature. You have disabled the waiting room feature. If you want to record any meeting in your Zoom meeting app, then here are the process. Launch your Zoom meeting app. In between your Zoom meeting in progress, click on 3 horizontal dot against bottom menu bar, and here you will find the option record. Simply click on it, and
Recording in progress.
you will receive a message. Recording in progress. Set up professional audio in audio settings.
Recording
And
stopped.
if you want to pause, then you can easily
Recording in
pause.
progress.
Otherwise you can also stop.
Recording stopped.
Recording stopped.
So you can easily record your Zoom meeting. If you want to share your screen in between your Zoom meeting app, then here are the process. When you are in Zoom meeting and you want to share your screen, go to menu from the bottom right corner and click on more, and here you will find the option share. Click on it, share screen, click on it, and your screen, which type of screen you want to share, entire screen, application, windows, some other features available here. If you want to choose entire screen, your entire screen will shared with your Zoom meeting participants. If you want to stop it, then you can easily stop from the same location. A share icon will also available. One participant can share at a time. How many participants can share at the same time? You can choose who can share. If you are host, then some settings you may change in your Zoom meeting. All participant or host only. Some settings available here. Multiple participants can share simultaneously. So you can easily share your screen with your Zoom participants meeting. You can save valuable time during meetings by using keyboard shortcuts instead of clicking through menus. So the first one is very interesting keyboard features you can use in Google Zoom meeting app. The first one is mute unmute microphone. So simply press Alt plus A to mute or unmute your Google Zoom meeting app. Simply you can see press Alt plus A and you can see your microphone is muted. Now again press Alt plus A and unmute your Zoom meeting app. So very interesting feature, Alt plus A you can use to mute or unmute your microphone during Zoom meeting app. The next keyboard shortcut is start and stop video. Press Alt plus V. As soon as you press Alt plus V, your video will be start or stop. If you want to stop your video in Zoom meeting app, simply press Alt plus V and again press Alt plus V to start or stop. The next one is open close chat panel. If you press Alt plus H shortcut key, then chat panel will automatically open. Again press Alt plus H, it will remove, and again press Alt plus H keyboard shortcuts to appear chat panel in your Zoom meeting app. The next keyboard shortcuts is start stop screen sharing. If you want to start a screen sharing on your Zoom meeting app, press Alt plus S. Simply press Alt plus S to start a screen share, and if you want to stop screen sharing, simply again press Alt plus S and Zoom meeting screen share will automatically stopped. So to start or stop Zoom meeting screen share, press Alt plus H. The next keyboard shortcut is raise or lower your hand, press Alt plus Y. If you want to raise your hand, then simply press Alt plus Y and you can raise your hand, and again if you want to lower your hand, again press Alt plus Y. The next keyboard shortcut is view participants list, Alt plus U. If you want to check the list of participants in your Zoom meeting app, simply press Alt plus U and you can see a list of participants in Zoom meeting. If you want to remove this checklist, again press Alt plus U. So if you want to view your participant list, press Alt plus U. The next one is end or leave meeting. Simply press Alt plus Q. If you want to end or leave meeting, then press Alt plus Q and a message will appear, end meeting for all or leave meeting. If you want to end meeting, choose first, otherwise choose leave meeting. So very interesting and time saving feature. That's